And we move on to tabletop position. This is a foundational pose, again, where we're going to move into many different postures. Some of the benefits of this pose are strengthening little bitty micro muscles in the back and the legs, as well as finding a great neutral position. This also strengthens the neck and the back muscles. So in order to get into this position, all you have to do is get in on all fours. So we call it a tabletop position, but it's a very easy position. You may want to use a blanket under your knees. I always encourage to be gentle on your body. And from this tabletop position, you want to make sure that your knees are underneath your hips and that your wrists are underneath your shoulders. The neck is in line with the spine, so just imagine a tabletop or a flat back. And not to sag the neck down too far or up too far, just a neutral position like so.